My love language is acts of service. Like, I like to give acts of service.
Yes.
But I do, like, are you listening to anything I just said?
Totally.
Are you hearing? I just said 8 things. Did you catch one of them? You know, that's
Do you know what the funniest thing was? Is Henry once said to, like, some of our friends, some of them may work on the show. He said sometimes, and I heard him. I was like, I'm right here. He said sometimes when I talk to him, it just becomes like a white noise. Yeah. Like, you know, like like Charlie Brown, where that voice is like, wah.
Yeah.
He's like, sometimes when Jenna talks to me, the words don't come into my mind.
Yeah.
And I'm like, have I become that person to you?
Yeah.